72 Olds. Okay. Power windows work, but they need help going up, so probably needs a lube. Carpet was relatively new. The seats are, I think we're done at the same time. They're a little dirty because they're white. They need to be cleaned up. The top is completely shot. I didn't try putting it down. It doesn't make noise when you hit the switch. One of the bows has come loose. I just figured I'd leave it up for shipping. Oh, doors. There we go. Paint's faded. Alright. I mean, it would buff out, but there's going to be numerous flaws. Runs nice. Real good. New battery. Needs brakes. You got to pump them in order for it to work. Up front here, it's got a couple cracks in the fascia. No smoke? And there is rust in the bottom of the quarters. Okay. On both sides. Both sides. Let's see the other side. Side's worse than the other. That's about it, otherwise it's pretty straight. Nice solid restoration piece.